Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Raven 2 game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand the display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers and after that launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to run game as administrator. So for that you have to go to the game installation folder. So go to the game installation, Epic Games. Here is the game application. Right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and after that launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Epic Games. In the library section you have to select your game, click on three dot icon, now click on manage and here you can see verify option. Simply you need to click on verify option and once the game files are verified, launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, next is to allow Raven through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings and after that here you have to search for the game if it's listed over here. So let me search for the game. If you can't find the game, here you have to click on allow another app, then go to the browse section. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application and add it to the list over here. Now after the game is added, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked and click on OK and after that launch the game and check if it helps to fix the issue. If not, next method is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to search for those apps which are running unnecessarily and consuming high resources. You simply have to select them. Now right click on it, click on end task and after that this will close the app completely from your system background and after that launch the game and check. Next is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled such as NVIDIA Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. So you are suggested to disable any kind of third-party overlay applications and then try to launch the game. Next is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Epic Games Store. Under library section, select your game. Here you have to click on three dot icon, then click on manage and here you can see launch options. Enable it and have to type -DX11 and then launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, again come back, type -DX12 and then try to launch the game and check if this resolves the problem. If it doesn't resolve, remove it and move to the next solution. Next is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any antivirus program installed on your system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issue. Somewhere the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So if it is so, then it's suggested to check settings of that particular program or disable it to play the game hassle-free. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go through the link I have already provided in the description and copy and paste it on your browser. After the website opens, go below and you have to click on the link. After the link is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on repair option and wait for some time. Now after you get setup successful message, close it, restart your system once and after restarting again launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, next is to increase virtual memory. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings, click on settings, click on advanced, click on change and here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK, and after that launch the game and check if it is working now. If not, next method is to run Raven 2 as dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed. So go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after the game is added, click on arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't result, then the final solution is to reinstall Raven 2 game. So when the error still continues, then reinstall the game once. But before doing it, make sure to back up all the data and settings linked with this game. After that, uninstall and again reinstall the game. For that, go to Epic Game. Here you have to, under library section, select the game, click on the three dot icon, and here you can see uninstall option. Simply click on uninstall and the game will be removed from your PC. After that, restart your PC once and then launch Epic Games and reinstall Raven 2 game once again, and then click on play button and check if it is opening or not. So these are few solutions to fix Raven 2 game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.